for Mat Moves with Maricris, and of course I'm your girl Maricris, and today our mat is in beautiful Cancun, Mexico, here at Crystal Grand Cancun. But before we enjoy all this beautiful scenery, we've got to take care of ourselves first, because it's about being strong in life. So even though this is a short workout, it doesn't mean it's going to be easy, but let's get straight into it, okay? Join me at the end of your mat here. We've got a walkout to modified push-up to Spiderplank. We've got a mouthful there. Let me get the timer started. All right, we're on the clock. Go ahead and walk out. High plank position. Drop down to your knees. Push up. Come on up. Spider, spider. Walk it back up. Take your time on this first round to really feel it out. Right? How's your body feeling? What intensity are you going to go with today? Take it back up. All the way up to standing. Down. Make sure you brace that core. Walk it back up. Stay with me. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to finish this one out here. Good. Go on up. So it's 40 seconds on, 15 off. Right, your next movement here, you're going to come into a lateral lunge. Come up to single leg drive. 1, 2, 3, and out. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Take it out. Whew. There you go. Dance with me. Step. And give me that good hold here, so I know it's a good, strong core hold. Woo. Already feeling it in the second one here. If you can't get those arms going, send it out. Come on. Work. 3, 2, and time. Relax. Shake it out. Next movement here, squat and punch. You're gonna be down here, and we're gonna rotate those fists, all right? Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. We're down. Pour that iced tea out. I think that's how it was taught to me. Let's go. There we are. Working. Go down, pivot that foot. 40 seconds, come on. We're working. It's gonna set us up. Full day of fun. I'm gonna have fun here, right? You only live once. That's why we're working out, to make sure we're strong. Doing it. Nothing holding us back. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Next up, we've got these lateral shuffles. You're gonna start on one side of your mat, and then you're gonna shuffle, take to the other, and then back. Simple enough, right? Here we are, 3, 2, and 1. I was like this timer. This is my savior. Work. Side to side. Come on. We got 5 exercises. After this, we're coming down to the mat. We got a bear plank. Step out. Come on. Boom. Ha. Side to side. 40 seconds. Push. Come on. 3, 2, and time. 15 off right here. So I said we have a bear plank stance. Right toes tucked under. You're gonna step out here. But I didn't tell you, we have 4 climbers. Then we step it back in and repeat. Okay? We got this. Let's end the round strong. 3, 2, up, out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit your feet. Walk it in, out. Good. Keep those arms directly under shoulders. A little slow, makes it a little fast. Whew. Got it. This breeze feels epic right now. Epic. I can't see. Come on. After this, we come back up to standing. 3, 2, and relax. Good, come on up. Small breaks, we're going back to the top. Walk out, push up, spider, spider, okay? Get your breath back here. Take your time. 3, 2, and walk it out. Lay down. Come on up. Sweat starting to fall. Right, you can start to increase your speed here a little bit, your tempo. Here we go. We're doing it. We're doing it. Come on. Let's get another good one in. 3, 2, and 1. Small break. Woo! Lateral lunge, right side to side with the 3 high knees in between. Get ready. Way forward. 3, 2, and we go here. Starting to come out. Good. Come on, 3 rounds. Give me that nice pause. It's like your recovery second. After this, we got squat and punch. Woo! Side to side. Take it up. Sit those hips back. 3, 2, and relax. Ooh-wee. Okay, get ready. We're dipping it low. Got 7 seconds. Punching it out. Wait for it. Let's go. 3, 2. Take it down and tempo here. Reset yourself. Yes. We're gonna finish strong together. Come on. A little up in there. Ha, ha, ha. Good. Ha, come on. We can do this. 40 seconds. We get our mind right. You know, we get that little reset, right? Woo. 3, 2, and 1. I knew I felt something. I was like, I want to jip y'all right here. So breathe. Right, we've got our lateral side to side shuffles. Okay, when you're coming side to side, I want you to give me that little like whoop, pause at the end to reset and make that transition back, okay? You go 3, 2, and let's go. Side to side. Hop. Hit it. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. Yes, come on. Round 2 is nearing the end. Breathe. You're gonna feel, not feel. You can't feel me breathing, but you're gonna hear me breathing. Come on. 3, 2, and relax. Small pause, we're coming down. Woo! Bear, plank, step out. 4 climbers. We got 5, 4, 3, lock it in. 2, and come on up. Step out. There we are. Steady tempo. Try. Woo. Walk it out. Tempo. This is time under tension. Woo. Come on. Let that sweat happen. 3, 2, and relax. Woo. Hope you have your sweat towel right by, right? Coming back up, walkouts. Last round. Okay. Walk it out. High plank. Good push up, spider, spider. 3, 2, and let's go. Last bit here. Gotta make sure my hands don't slip with the sweat on my hands. Nice push-ups. All the way up. Right, round 3, you know what you're doing here. Stay zoned in. I'm here if you need me for reference, but I think you got it. Drop down. 3, 2, and relax. Good, come on up. Sweat, making the marks there. Lateral lunge, 3 high knees. Taking this break. Get ready. I'll step out to my left first. 3, 2, and I'm out. Ha. Good. Make those knees up. Keep that slide forward lean right here. Help you stay over the top of yourself. Oh yeah. Side to side. Ah yes. This view is probably helping you. I'm watching you. Side to side. 3, 2, and relax. Woo! We are right there. Stay here. Squat punch next. Slow it down. Get ready to work. 3, 2, and we're here. Right, this is the part where you're kind of tired this last round, and then you kind of hit this up of like, but I'm almost done, right? That burst of energy, that kick in, that's what's happening here. Punch it out. Stay right here, this athletic stance. Ha, ha, ha. After this, we've got shuffles. Come on. Punch. Add a little more tempo this last bit. Let's go. 3, 2, and relax. Ha. Woo! Shuffles. Come on. Right there. Tap those legs. I know, I got you. These legs have been doing a lot. Here we go. 3, 2, and side to side. Boom. Ha. All right. The whole point of mat moves is knowing that you can get it done with your mat, right? Using that to create these fun workouts that help you get stronger just a little bit more every day. Work. Boom. Push. Side to side. Come on. 3, 2, and relax. Last one. Oh, I'm so amped. Last one. Fair plank. Step it out. Forward climbers. And we win. 3, 2, and up. Squeeze that core. Out, out. In. So, sweat is just out of hand right now. Woo. It's kind of cool. I'm hitting the safe spots of sweat here. Right? That's like my checkpoint of keeping these arms under my shoulders. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Oh. Oh. High five, high five, high five. We did that. You did that. You stayed excellent. I'm so, so proud of you. You rocked it, okay? I can't give you any more praise. That was a hard one, right? We went in, minimal breaks, heart rate going, strength, everything. So proud of you. Hope you enjoyed the view. Hope you make it out here, right? And just remember, I'm so excited because I can't wait to see you again on this mat. Have an amazing day.